Understanding, to seek redemption. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very profound and inspiring phrase in the English language, to seek redemption. This phrase carries a lot of weight and emotion, and understanding it can add a deep layer to your comprehension and use of English. Let's explore what it means to seek redemption, why it's a significant concept, and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations and writing. To seek redemption is a phrase that combines two powerful concepts, to seek and redemption. To seek means to attempt to find or obtain something. Redemption is a bit more complex. It refers to the act of being saved from sin, errors, or evil. Together, to seek redemption means attempting to find a way to be saved or absolved from past mistakes, wrongdoings, or failures. It's about a journey or quest for personal improvement, making amends, and finding a path to moral or ethical recovery. People seek redemption for various reasons. It might be a response to guilt, a desire to make things right, or a need to change one's life path towards something more positive. This concept is often associated with personal growth, forgiveness, both giving and receiving, and the process of healing. Seeking redemption is a deeply personal journey that involves introspection, change, and, most importantly, actions that demonstrate a commitment to being better. Redemption is a common theme in literature, movies, and real life, showcasing the universal appeal and importance of this concept. Characters in stories might seek redemption by facing their past actions, making amends, and undergoing significant personal transformations. In everyday life, someone might seek redemption by apologizing for past mistakes, changing harmful behaviors, or contributing positively to the community. These actions symbolize their journey towards redemption. You can use to seek redemption in various contexts to express the idea of pursuing forgiveness or improvement. For example, in storytelling, the protagonist seeks redemption for his past mistakes through acts of courage and kindness. In discussions about personal growth, I'm seeking redemption by working to repair the relationships I've damaged. In academic or philosophical debates, the concept of seeking redemption is central to many religious and moral philosophies. To seek redemption is a phrase rich with meaning, emotion, and depth. It touches on themes of guilt, forgiveness, change, and growth. Understanding and using this phrase can help you express complex ideas about human nature and personal development. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of seeking redemption for you and inspired you to think about how redemption plays a role in our lives and the stories we tell. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language with you.